जय श्रीमन्नारायण. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 17th చాప్టర్ శ్రద్ధాత్రయ విభాగ యోగము 9th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేయింగ్ దట్ Arjuna, there are some foods which are too much bitter, too much sour, too much salty, too much hot, too much dry, and full of chilies. And those foods, ever since those foods are consumed, there will be so many diseases comes out. And those foods, after consumption, people feel so much thirsty. And those foods, after consumption, they feel so much grief, so much troublesome, so much pain. So all these foods are mostly liked by, all these foods are mostly dear to the persons who are having Rajogunam predominantly. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma explaining us the kinds of food that are liked by those who have more Rajogunam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Katvam la lavana ativushna tikshna ruksha vidahinaha ahara rajasasya ishta dukkha soka amaya pradaha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्म सरस्वतीदेवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Devatas Danavas started churning the milky ocean, but the Mandara mountain, what they kept in the ocean, because there is no support to that mountain, though Devatas and Danavas were trying to hold it very tightly with their hands, yet that mountain started tilting into water and also drowning in the water. Devatas, Danavas have seen that. They were helpless. They got discouraged. Their faces gone pale. They felt that neither their efforts are giving them fruits nor Paramatma is helping. So they were worried. At that time, seeing that situation, Sakshat Paramatma Sriman Narayana Duranta Viryaha Ishvaraha, the one who has limitless power and strength, such Sri Hari, just by his will, just by his sankalpam, krutva vapuhu kachapam adbhutam mahat, he became such a huge turtle, huge tortoise, mahakurmam, kamatham by jalarasi jochi, laghu mukta sukti chandambunan. He became such huge tortoise and drowned into the ocean. He went into the bottom portion of that mountain and he kept that mountain Mandara on his back and then lifted. That tortoise has 8 lakhs miles wide back. On that back, he lifted Mandara. Paramatma with that huge form, in the form of tortoise, in the center of that ocean, he is looking like a big island. And he is now holding the mountain Mandara on his back. That Kurmam is, that tortoise is known as Adi Kachapam. Huge amount of, limitless amount of strength, power has that Adi Kachapam. Then with the help of that Adi Kachapam, Mahakurmam, Mandara mountain started coming up from the ocean. Devatas, Danavas have seen that. They got so much happy and excited and then again started churning the ocean. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 17th chapter 9th श्लोक. कट्वाम्ललवणात्युष्ण तीक्ष्णरूक्षविदाहिनः आहारा राजसस्येष्टाः दुःखशोकामयप्रदाः. कट्वाम्ललवणात्युष्ण तीक्ष्णरूक्षविदाहिनः आहारा राजसस्येष्टाः दुःखशोकामयप्रदाः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.